Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTBT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a very eventful day. Price all over the place, pretty big swings, and is now setting up from a technical pattern point of view with just a very classic pattern here and a very well-defined pattern. So the first part of this pattern is the area of support here, and that is down here at the $24 mark. And I mean, you can see all sorts of history in this. Actually, you could throw this into a textbook because $24 right here was a previous area of resistance, but there's a rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And we had that level act as support several times today. So $24 definitely going to be that, main area of support moving forward. So you're going to want to continue to watch that and see it act as support. But as of now, I mean, the price basically closed at $28. So it's not anywhere close to the $24 mark. But if $24 does come into play, then again, that's going to be one of those areas that you definitely want to see hold strong as support if it gets tested. And then on the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance, I assure you that there's all sorts of people that have drawn that trend line right there. And I emphasize that point because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic price movement. So I'm not saying that anything's guaranteed to happen, but what I am saying is that it is a more than valid, it is a more than plausible thought to have that, if the price can work its way back up to that trend line and get the break up through it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but certainly a more than valid thought to have. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that level moving forward. But all in all, those are going to be the two main technical levels to watch moving forward. $24 key level of support, that resistance trend line, key level of resistance. So let's see how things continue to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.